Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve for free on your Windows PC. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Open a web browser on your PC. Search for DaVinci Resolve download and hit enter. Click on the first link to access the official Blackmagic Design website for downloading DaVinci Resolve. I will also provide the website link in the description. Scroll down to see two options, one for free download and the other for purchasing DaVinci Resolve. We will download the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Click on the free download. After clicking on the free download option, a pop-up will appear prompting you to select which version of DaVinci Resolve to download and for which operating system. I am choosing to download DaVinci Resolve 19 since DaVinci Resolve 20 is still in beta testing. Click on the Windows option under DaVinci Resolve 19, not under DaVinci Resolve Studio 19, because the Studio version is the paid one. Once you click it, a pop-up will appear asking for your name, email, and location. Just fill it out. It's required to start the download and is completely safe. Then click on Register and Download, and DaVinci Resolve will start downloading. After completing the download, open File Explorer. Extract the DaVinci Resolve installer zip file that you have downloaded. Click on Extract. Double-click to run the DaVinci Resolve installer. Now, it asks to select components to install DaVinci Resolve. Select all the options and click on Install. Click on Next. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on Next. Again, click on Next. Click on Install. Once everything is completed, you can click on Finish. After installing DaVinci Resolve, you need to launch the application. Click on Allow Access. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed DaVinci Resolve for free on your PC. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative and keep editing.